Hey, what's up tol? Isang mapagpalang araw o mapagpalang umaga. Mapagpalang gabi. Anong oras na magkita itong video na ito. Ito kami ngayon. Ito ako ngayon. So, yung update ko ngayon dito sa kubo ko sa muntikong kubo. Tingin si Cyrus ng TV. Ano ba? Salida ba? Horror. Sabi niya mag-vlog daw kami. Marunong na rin si Cyrus ng mga vlog. Kaya yung update namin mga tol. Sana ay pag-supportahan po yung video namin. Yung video ko. Nama ka no? Ito ka. Anong tag-TV? Ito, lingkod. Higda ito. Yan yung kubo namin.
That's it. That's your call, right?
Yan si Cyrus.
That's definitely it. This is exactly the path it went down.
Tingnan niyo po yung reaction ni Cyrus.
Is this thing stopping? No, it just ran through the stop sign.
Okay, so maybe they don't know the rules of the road.
Holy crap, this is definitely the recipe for a car crash, bro. I don't think my car's surviving this thing, man. Holy crap, okay. We just have to keep our eyes on wherever the hell this mannequin is taking my car. You think this whole thing was a ploy just to steal my car?
Maybe he's trying to meet up with the rest of the mannequins in the community, bro.
This doesn't make sense, so if you could tell
English pa nga to daw, English?
I mean, look, it just stopped.
English
Clearly
speaking.
it knows the rules of the road.
Okay, so what? It's trying to act like a law-abiding citizen.
Dude, what if someone sees this car driving, sees in the driver's seat, I don't know, a mannequin? They're definitely gonna call the police. They're gonna give them my plates and then boom, I'm gonna get arrested.
It's waiting for the car, so it has some sort
Claro.
of consciousness.
Hey guys.
Yeah, dude, I do have a reason to be worried. Because there's a freaking mannequin!
Ito yung reaction. Reaction mo rin. React.
Let me walk back in, bro.
Para ganahan mo tanaw mga viewers na to ba? Para mas ganahan na tumingin yung mga viewers natin. Aswang. Aswang ha?
I don't know. I actually have no clue. Wherever it's going, it can't be good. Okay, just keep my eyes on it the whole time, right?
Dagan mo lang ano. Kanan.
ID fam, I know you guys have never seen anything like this. I never thought I would see the day where I am flying a drone, following my own car that's being driven
Wala.
by a mannequin.
That's pretty crazy if you ask me.
Like, that is absolutely nuts, man. My main question is, where could this thing be going? I just don't have any idea why it took my car in the first place. Like, maybe this is a trap. They know these mannequins might know how much I love my car and I'll do anything to get it back. Maybe they're trying to lure me to somewhere. You know what I mean? Exactly what we're seeing right now.
Post na rin konti.
But as long as you guys stick with me through this whole thing, I swear we will get to the bottom of this. It's making a right. Where do you have any idea where we're at?
Hey guys.
No clue at all, bro. It's just so
Wala na yung reaction si Cyrus.
be wanting to go at all. It's a mannequin,
Okay,
dude.
let's list the facts that we know right now. We know these mannequins and we know how they work. I mean, I guess we don't consider we didn't know they could drive. But okay, if you don't look at them, that's when they move, right? If you touch them,
Ay, remote nila no?
Medusa. But if you touch
Remote
them,
pala yung kwan.
so wherever this thing is
Sasakyan.
going, it might be leading us to
May
a
aswang.
of other mannequins because they know that we know the way they operate. So their only option was to steal something that was valuable to me, which is my car. I mean, if they took you, then I would be fine. Video over. But the fact that they took my precious car, yeah, I'm doing everything in my power to make sure I get this back.
Wait, you'd rather them take me over your car?
Yeah, dude, I can easily replace my brother. I can't replace my car.
You can replace a human over a car?
Okay, you're right. My fault. I was just kidding. I defend you guys don't like this guy, but I'm really trying to get to the bottom of this right now. Like, I just, you think maybe the votes will
Antok kayo ito, antok.
with a bunch of other mannequins with me? I mean, they would have been on the island by now. That isn't an island, but still within the community. Did it just do a circle? Like, it came down from that one, made a left,
Vlog me.
made a right, and did another.
Sabi ni
like,
Cyrus,
four
nag-vlog kami.
So, is this thing just trying to toy with us?
Yan guys, kaya nag-video tayo ngayon para ma-update kayo kasi matagal-tagal na rin na di tayo nag-update. Ano yung kalagayan natin dito. Medyo okay lang, okay lang.
I know the street is a dead end. Oh yeah, look, it's a cul-de-sac. What's it doing here? Yeah, I feel like the mall is investing. That might be where it's heading right now.
Ayun, ay tabuni.
I mean, obviously, when I
Dede,
see anything get out,
dede. Di ba?
I can't even believe what I'm seeing though, you know?
Di ko na. Yan, titingnan ni Cyrus yung kwan. Video natin. Pasensyahan nyo na guys na ganyan lang yung mga update namin. Walang mata na si madam. Oh. Kitang kita ka dito madam sa CCTV. Yan, yun yung kubo namin. Buti nakalagyan namin ng ganyan no, dahil pag umuulan, pag walang ganyan plywood ay tatagos yung kwan, tatagos yung tubig. Ito.
There are mannequins out on the roof that won't fit.
Bigat na ni Cyrus ay.
And you have a whole box of Rice Krispies with you? So, what's going on? Fam, I don't know what the hell Aaron's obsession is with these snacks, or whatever. Okay, let's get my freaking car back. Like, sequel first, safety and all that. Okay. So the cul-de-sac is literally like a 1 minute drive away from us. So it's definitely a trap. So when we're going in there, we need to make sure that we don't touch these mannequins. That's their end goal. Either it's a massive cult deal, and they want everyone to turn into freaking mannequins. Okay, that's why they're targeting us. That's why they took my freaking car. So keep in mind, don't let it come anywhere near you. All right? We definitely make
Right.
sure keep our eyes on
Right,
the
left,
mannequin the
right,
entire
left.
time. Our car should be there.
Right.
There's no way it just stops.
Right,
Just
plus,
stop and
right,
take a little
left, right.
break, and then start driving again. So hopefully my
Right.
car's still there. I'll pick the camera up the second we're there. We're pretty much there right now. So
Anong reaction mo dong sa sinanood mo na salida dong? So yan mga viewers na dong. Parang silang tanaw kay wala na ba tayo viewers niya?
Wala lagi.
yo,
Wala. Hapon na naman sana.
Wala na kaming views guys, kaya sana magka-views kami. Yan si madam mo. Nag-study.
Sulat. Kita mo sulat.
Ay, sulat. Mana yung sulat niyo dong? Oh, yan. Nag-aaral na pala si Cyrus guys. Oh. Yan o. Yan yung 23 niya. Oh. Yan. Ah, 100 ba? 100 yan? Dong?
Di ba? Kita na yun. Very good. Kaya si Sai.
Yan yung, yan. Pero kayo. Yan yung mga kani Cyrus, oh. Mara na, tanan.
Ipang dito sa kanya.
Yan si madam, guys.
Skincare serums now in your shower. Meet
Tol, mga tol.
serum wash.
Ayaw ba?
Ay, makulit mga tol, oh.
got the game when we
Pero,
Alay,
tabla mo mama, langga mo, langga.
haven't done this in a very long time. So today, I'm gonna do a shout out because you guys have been
Ah,
flooding my DM.
views kita ni ba?
To each and every one of you that watch the channel.
Malaki yung views namin dito, guys, ba? Tol, mga tol, malaki yung views namin kasi, yan o, mga
Shout out Catalina, you've been loving all the videos.
kapanabik-nabik na bakbakan. Yan.
Shout out to you, you're honestly so
Cyrus,
real one.
malaki ka na? Ah,
Istorya sila.
count 1 to 10. Count 1 to 10. Tarong nga. Eh,
Yeah, y'all, we're literally shouting at Catalina right now. Catalina. Shut up. Okay, Catalina. You know y'all love you. This seems to be really distracted right now. But anyways, we're almost at 5.
Muka mo taro gihap oy kabalo. Marunong na mga magihap mo gara-gara gaya-gaon mo kay. Ha? Ayo. Nga.
Ayaw, be.
No.
Usually we order things from these
Yan.
websites. It kind of hits
Ganito kami palagi pag nga ni may permente diri sa maliit na kubo. Views, marami na kami views nito ba? Ganito yung vlog namin.
honestly, bro.
Yan o, ito yung update namin.
I mean, it's all like we're leaving
Tiguang na ka daw. Hindi daot na yung mga ngipon nito. Hi you guys. Yan na, ano yung ginagawa ninyo? Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Sana dadami yung views natin. Wala na tayo masyadong update kasi busy na.
What do you mean, don't wear them alone?
Singkwang ko. Hadlock ka camera daw. Yan tol, hanggang dyan lang po siguro. Maraming salamat sa wala sa suporta. Sana ay palagi pa rin kayo na sumuporta. Yan.